All right, guys. I'm rolling now for the Supreme Baseball case, a personal case. Let's bust it. Good luck, guys. I fear you guys might be sharing this in some form or fashion. May the Fox be with you all. And Steve, Brian, Oscar, Jeff. All those guys too, man. Yeah, there we go. Actually, I'll bring these up. We'll get them. Thank you, John. I know John came through. Logan, Tyler, you guys. Appreciate you guys hanging out with us tonight. Boom. Boom. All right. I think I got them all cut. That's a thick one. We're starting out with a pretty thick one. Two. Hot wire, 84. That is not nice. That seems hot. Is that hot wire? Or if you're still with us, man, I was wondering if that's average or above average. Well, here's the quiz. Who is Patrick Young? No? We don't know. Well, Darren, you know you can come to Ohio anytime. Well, I got boxes going crazy. Sunny and boring ain't too shabby, though. All right, guys, good luck. Supreme Baseball 10-box case. Personal style. Right now, on the brake pad. I got Chuck. Chuck got a little sideways. All right, guys, it's going to be the Brad Nessel break. There he is. Steve Carlton. Over there, Ryan Clark for the Mariners. First card. First pack. Autograph of Sonny Gray. 5 of 20. 5 out of 20 for Oakland. That's the ace. American League. And Garen Cecchini. 29 out of 50. Ooh, hot wire. That ain't too shabby at all. Cecchini Cats. Uh-oh! 1-1! Printing plates. Printing plate. Hot wire, that is too cool. Oh my. Andre the Hawk! Boom! One of my great all-time favorites, Harry says. Andre the Hawk. Holy cow! 1-1 pretty plate. You can't have seconds of Andre pretty plate. And I think that's the Expos variety. It is. So sorry, Harry. It's the wrong one, but we'll work. On the other side, Michael Waka Waka. Cardinals fans, you guys, 22 out of 50. Waka Waka. Solid pack. Ah, Fred Eddy, Patrick Young. What team? I was looking at that March Madness. Some good stuff in there. And there's Nate Eovaldi for the Marlins. Eovaldi, 10 of 35. And Rougned Odor. Something smelly on the brake pad. 3 out of 50. Rougned Odor. Freddie Lynn. Both Sox. 5 out of 45. Freddie Lynn of the Red Sox. And a 1 of 1. Elias Sports Bureau. Boom. Second 1 of 1. Holy cow. Elias. He's a Mariner in this one. Wow. 1 of 1. 2 of them. 1 Andre. The Hawk. Oh my. Sweet. Omar. Man, the eBay guys are like, why didn't you open this case? Omar Vizquel. Base. The 1 of 1. Oh no, that's a die cut of Omar. Supreme Styling Omar. Big money hit. Kevin's calling it. Omar sells good. And behind him is the great Jim Palmer. Baltimore's. 3 out of 45. Logan, did you didn't lose it. You didn't lose your dinner, did you? Because so far it's sick and disgusting. Oh, that's a cool Springer. Bam! 21 out of 45, the old Astros uni. He was in our first case, too. George Springer, 21 out of 45. And Oscar. There's Tavares. Numbered out of 50. 2 Simply Supremes. I don't know who Patrick Young is for the Florida Gators. Shelby Miller, 2 of 45. And Tommy Glees, Tommy G's, Tommy Glees. No, Tommy Glavine, 11 out of 25. Man, this case has been better than the other one, huh? Congrats, guys. You guys are killing it. Oh, my. Ernie. Supreme Styling with the little cubby bear. Holy cow. The great Ernie Banks. The guy was a great man. An ambassador for the game. Out of 15. Boom. And there's Goldie. Out of 15. Wow. Goldschmidt. 2 out of 15. As these are John's? Boom! John, you are having an incredible night. An incredible first time, man. Carlos Gonzalez, 5 out of 20 for Colorado. And there's Christian Yelich. Yelich. 25 out of 25, Marlins. All right, this is the thick one. Three hits. First, guys, Yasmil Pinto Beans. 20 out of 50. Numbered out of 10. Marcell Ozuna. 3 of 10. Bam. And one more. Other side, please. Bryce! Auto relic! Boom! Holy cow! Bryce Harper, 4 of 40. Jumbo relic autograph. Jeez. Bam. Thank you, John. Wow, thank you, John. What a case. Is John able to watch? Or you and Logan just have to tell him about it? Anyway, awesome. Thank you. Thank you.